sweetness of your love. What you tell them, Lady G?
You see, from a company stage in the night, yeah? You know what the whole of the man them up here tell me, say? What do I hear what them a tell me, say? What them say? Them say, gee, you still have it up, you still have it up. And you laugh in that shout and grab it up. You still have it up, you still have it up. Some girl no look good all when them a swag it up. You still have it up, you still have it up. And you laugh in that shout. Lyrics time, cause you know say that we have, right? I'ma tell them say, gee, you still look fresh, still look clean, still a cast enough man a roadway dream, still look hot, still have me steam. Man a ask me if me still in a me teen, still do if he sit down on the right pan with him, still do if he wine and catch the timing, still not fi bleach cause me have clean skin and not plastic surgery no with a right thing. Me still have it up, me still.
Come again. Mama, you are the best of them. The rest of them are the stress of them. Are what left of them.
Up here, my brother, them up here, so Peter Metron, Major Macron, Tony Curtis, John, Tolose on the mixer. Oh, you want me finish the lyrics? Alright, me say. Me still have it up, me still have it up. I mean not fit that shout and grab it up. Me still have it up, me still have it up. Chop camera with the punchline. No dog never bite me when me little. So me no look chip up like the old bicycle. And when me a 100, me not look cripple. My breast still I go stand up and a pinted nipple. Some of them say it must be a miracle. Me no do liposuction and face the needle. Body no brought down like some old vehicle. I do me exercise, that's why me fit like figure plus. Regular me got me mineral bath. Fit for natural. Yeah, me name not spread no rumor show me. Not to me living and they get to show me. No care me name not spread no. Remember this again. Me say Papa and say you want miss. Lady G say you want this. Mind don't destroy the relation. Papa and say you want miss. Lady G say you want this. And that me sing again. Me say man have a right to man have a right to. You don't hurt me, me not go hurt. Man have a right to. If you want me say again, sure. Watch it. Slobada, 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 slobada. Me tell you, slobada, 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 slobada. Me tell you, slobada. Come here with your galley trench. Give me a get up on that day. I roll again. You want a piece, say Tony? All right. Sure. All right. That's why Mr. Curtis. That's why me no one no knife and me say me no one no gun. And me no one no cut this cigar run me sister down. And me no one no cook and me no one no opium. Because them the thing we give me body come down. And why you give listen to me cause it give me wisdom. And prior to the fall of a city morning. So to keep away from Satan and that into can be a jack of all trade and me a master for some. In a music is the respect to maximum. So if a girl I run from out, that's how I make she come. A competition is a thing that I don't run. Bullet! But guess what? Me love when my man feed them body from good food. And ladies, you have to feed your man body right, alright? What me say? Me no want no lazy man from me property. Man to work like work from me property. The property, it might bushy, but please don't tie out no cow for the property. If you want farmer, you feel about the property. Blow up the chow for the property. Nobody pose I love me no on the property. So you feel no feel planting on the property. You all mind up on the property, I eat enough rap. You know come for drink milk, you come for do your job. But I promise you, I go somewhere you go with bag. But this a property, you can't catch no crap. You see that little property, yeah, when me have. Me money will love to feel up the little girl, let me know. Can you say to me is a mother? If a guy ever touch my daughter, I won't even tell you what I would I do. Me say, touch me like a daughter, your finger them me cut off. Who don't like that, me tell you which part to choke off. Maybe them a rape and nappy them a bust off. Me send for me double mouth. They make me temper get shot, you know. Touch me like a daughter, make she can't walk, you know. Me no friend for job, me cut last me but them.
see bad artists. But yo, put things on people, Lady G.
Now you know me have to big up Mama Nancy anyway you're there. Yeah man, that's how we are roll, man. I'm say again, me say, touch me little daughter, your finger them me cut off. Who not like that, me tell them which part fi chuck off. Baby them a rape and nappy them a bust off. Me send fi me double mount. They make me temper get shot, you know. Touch me little daughter, make she can't walk, you know. Me no free fi drop me cut, last name up them clot, you know. Stepfather touch your breast, girl, you fi talk, you know. Mother kiki off your teeth and laugh, you know. Make him turn you in your mama get and breed you off, you know. No man fi love the little picnic when I'm a pass, you know. Go look at me go man, can me go man no shot, you know. Touch my 5-year-old daughter, would a cross, you know. So me know, tell me AK it would a blast, you know. Smarty head, do the happy rolling on the back, you know. Sweet like a gigala rolling on the dark, you know. What me say? Bullet! Are the youngest foundation. Guess what? We got myself teach them. And you know, see a lady and master the rhythm here, right? You go drop a thing on it. Me say, me no want nothing dead in a me house. No roach, no fly, no dog, no mouse. If me find something dead in a me bedroom, it have to come out. Say me no want nothing dead in a me house. Say me no want nothing dead in a me house. Say me no want nothing dead in a me house. It have to come out. Well if I sick, send for the nurse for that. And if I dead, send for the nurse for that. You need a prayer service then. Be willing the church for that. Then not that the church for that. Believe all that whistle to the Lord. But me no plan for me place. And I no mark is a Benz. Me have park up in a me garage. And no earth and no casket. No enough for me, yeah. So if a man see me place, I want sleep it out. Tell him no bring nothing dead. Else me will sleep it out. Or we will walk or creep it out. Or me just style him and go sleep it out. Me no want nothing dead in a me house. No roach, no fly, no dog, no mouse. Cause if me find something, I don't want to hear the next verse. Alright. Me don't want a man to tell me say me heartless or thoughtless. Me want a man to work hard, yes, and him to talk less. Not the one will come the fastest. If things are the toughest, you will pay for that mistake. Jinxing costless. Sizzler tell them to rise to the occasion. When me start work, me need standing ovation. Me don't care if you're black, Chinese or Caucasian. Talking I go with me next standing ovation. So if you have something that keep a 9-eye, please don't use it to spoil my night. Me know you like how me shape and me smile.